LEDs, any number of LEDs and a resistance for it, and IR sensor, LED relay, breadboard. You can use any number of points in it. You get various different types of breadboards. This is the DC motor. These are the jumper wires. This is the Arduino. You can use these wires too if you wish, but I suggest the jumper wires are sufficient. And this is a DC adapter. It's of 12 volts. We need 4 pieces to make this mechanism. I'll tell you the measurements, but it's not the exact measurements. You can also change it. This is of 15 and this is of 13. This is of 15.5 and this is of 8. And you can just randomly cut this for the indication of wiper. You should arrange it in this manner. Pin it here, pin it here. You also have to pin it here, but don't pin it here because we are going to add the DC motor. Okay, you can just stick on this one, or you can also pin it. I suggest you to stick it. Okay guys, you can pin this in this way, in this fashion, and you can just use a sellotape over here. Okay, you need a small box. You can also use a shoe box. Okay, and this is used to like hide all those circuits. It should not look clumsy, right? Okay, and here just make a hole over here to add on the DC motor, and here you can add here you can add the IR sensor and the LED light over here. You can place it anywhere you want. I have placed here for my project, and it should be like empty over here so that all the circuit might come into it. You can also close this part over here, but I preferred it open because I had to make a lot of connections. So yeah, for the DC motor to be placed, you need a stand because the hole is like at a particular height. You can make such stand. Okay, I've made one, and just put on the double-sided tape over here so that the motor does not move around, and you can make it a stand. It's very easy. You can make it according to the height of your placement of the DC motor. This is the circuit for IR sensor with Arduino. You can also use a breadboard, but to show you the connections, I've made this easier. The output pin is connected to the 13th pin of Arduino. The ground pin is connected to the 5-volt pin in Arduino, and the VCC is connected to the ground of Arduino. Okay guys, this is the final circuit, like how your circuit should look. You can also change the points in the breadboard, or you can also keep it like that. Here's the IR sensor, LED, DC motor. One side is connected to the adapter and this is to the computer, to the program.